So this is a shorthand of communication. Yes. Okay. So what's the first sentence gonna be? I attend communication skills or spoken English class every day. So is it right or wrong?
Right.
Everyone agrees with it. Why it is right? Can anyone tell me? Even you can raise your hand. I'll give you the authority to unmute. Yeah, Rishikesh. Why it's right? I attend communication skills or spoken English class every day.
Because in that subject and verb and objective are there. That's why the sentence is right.
So let's say if I have subject and object, then I'll form the right sentence.
I attend spoken English class. Yeah.
Anyone? Why is it right? Okay, Shreya. Yeah, Pooja.
Sir, it is making a sense. Its sentence is making a sense. That's why it is right, correct.
Before that, one basic question. What is the definition of sentence?
Collection of words.
So if you say that if you have the words, then you will form the right sentence.
No.
No, sir.
The sentence is a collection of words, but it will give, if it is give correct meaning, that we can use that sentence without any consideration of grammar.
You know, something what I believe is English is nothing but mathematics, and always we believe if something we have some as a proof. So let's try to prove. Let me write, for example, Lavanya attends the class. Okay. So is it a right sentence?
Not right, sir.
Not right.
Right, sir.
So as according to your definition, as you say that it's a collection of words. So let's say this is a collection of words. And even if you want to add one more thing. And even it conveys some meaning. So even I'm getting the meaning. Whereas what I did. Is it right now?
No, sir.
Not right, sir.
Not right.
Why? When it's a collection of words, when I'm getting some meaning out of it.
Order has missed, sir.
So according to a sentence, I mean, according to the practical definition, whenever if someone asks or in order to proceed further, what you have to go with, like it should follow, obviously it should follow some rules. And what is that rule? Along with the words, along with the meaning, even it should follow the rule, and the rule gonna be subject
plus
verb
Plus object.
So in the same way, in this, the first word gonna be our subject. Even you don't have to find what is subject, you just have to delete the thing. So as I have dropped I, what is the meaning? Attend communication skills every day.
No meaning.
No meaning.
meaningless.
Even here, Ram goes to office. What is the meaning? Any meaning?
No meaning.
No.
In the same way, Ramesh went to Amirpet. Any meaning?
No.
So what we understood that without subject, we can't proceed with the sentence. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
And my subject gonna be only these things. That is I, we, you, he, she, any name, and they. Okay. So except these things, I can't start my sentence. Getting the point? I mean,
Yes, sir.
like the full stop sentences, and 70% of the sentences begin with only this. let's say, even if I keep here I, my sentence gonna be right. But if I remove this, I'll not get whether who attends the class. Either it is like human being or the animals. So without subject, we can't start. Now, let me replace this. Now, the second word, I'm going to omit. What is the meaning now? I communication skills class every day.
No meanings.
No meaning, sir.
Even Ram to office.
No meaning.
No meaning.
No meaning.
So what do we understand is that if there is no verb, I mean, if there is no action, then we can't have a sentence.
Yes.
And
Yes,
verbs
sir.
are nothing but oxygen. Like without oxygen, can we survive?
No, sir.
No.
In the same way, without verb, you can't form a sentence at all. And as you can even do the experiment as well at your home. But you should not do the experiment with others.
Okay, sir. We'll try.
Next, I'm trying to remove after. It comes under subject. Yeah, so what's the meaning here? Yeah, I attend. What is the meaning? Just tell me whether the sentence is right or wrong.
Right. Right.
The sentence is absolutely right.
Right, sir.
Whereas we can't get the exact meaning. For example, if I say I attend, so whether I attend a party or class,
Yes.
okay, or I may attend any Java or Python, any might be. Okay, so if I don't say exactly what do I attend, in the same way, if I say like Ram goes, so where he goes, right? Whether he goes to school or college or like to a movie, where
Officer.
office, it might be anywhere. Let's say Ramesh. So Ramesh went, and where did he go?
To market or shopping mall or anything.
It might be. And even we are not a fortune teller that even we can decide.
Yes.
Is it?
Yeah.
Anyone who can predict the future?
No.
No,
No.
sir.
As usual, like we can't predict the future and we believe the things, whatever the people they're gonna say. Thus, it's mandatory, and I hope you might be aware of I am going to school. If you just say I am going. So you remember the story behind this? As Ramesh says that I am going.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if he doesn't say that where he's going, then at last he'll get the bicycle and the bike and each and everything. Like object is mandatory.
Yes.
Even one fine day, like even you just get angry and even you say at your home that I am going, and you don't reveal that where you're going.
Yeah, we got.
Even you
Yeah.
may have some conversation or some argument with your manager, and as you say to your manager that I'm going.
Yes, I'm going.
So if you say I'm going to my home, then your manager will be happy. But if you say I'm going,
I'm going.
and that too in an angry mood, then you may believe that you might be going somewhere and you may make him into trouble. So obviously, like many more things may happen in case if you not gonna use the object. So one important thing is that it's quite mandatory to use the object. Without object, you can't fulfill the task. And mainly like as you join the IT sector, try to write the full sentence. Please don't write in the WhatsApp language. I hope everyone knows.
Yes.
Yes.
Because it's like 4 years ago when I was training to the teachers, so even they had the habit of like, as they said, the moment we say UT, like they were saying to the students. So as we say UT and ET, so by default the students they understand that okay, in term and unit test. Then I said, see, please don't go with the shortcuts because as if we are in the technical side, so we might be aware of some jargon. But those who are not in the technical or those who don't belong to the school or the college, so they might not be aware of, and they may take the things in the other way. Whenever you write or whenever you proceed with the sentence, try to write the full sentence. Getting the point? Even most of the people nowadays, I could see the trend that they just follow the shorthand, but I would request you not to go with that because you are like whenever you get into IT, like those who are not working, those who are working, that's fine, and even you might be aware of. The moment you draft your mail, try to go through the proofreading. Everyone is aware of this term proofreading.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Proofreading. Okay, let me tell you. Proofreading is like once, like before you send, try to read the sentences once again.
Okay.
Whether it conveys the same thing, whatever you feel, and you should not convey what you feel. You should convey what the other person can understand. Okay. So let's come back to the point, and that is this. So in order to form a sentence, we have to have the subject, then the verb, and then the object. Now, there is a question. How many of you used to translate before you speak?
I'm using
Don't worry. Okay.
sometimes I translated Telugu to English.
Okay. Telugu to Hindi, even Hindi to English, Telugu to English, Marathi to English, even Odia to English, Bengali to English. But the moment you translate, I hope no one is robot here.
No,
Yes,
sir.
Okay.
No
So
one
like
is there.
even we don't have to proceed like the robots, because we have the brain that does only the simple task. Is it? Even we can't change into binary one. No, don't use Shreya. Now let me tell you. Okay, so from today, don't use. Why I'll let you know. In case if you translate, for example, let's say what is the meaning of this? Ramesh went to Amirpet. What is the meaning?
రమేష్ అమీర్పేట వెళ్ళాడు.
Ramesh.
Ramesh,
Ready, go there.
One by one. I'll take all the languages. Okay. So according to like Ramesh, Amirpet Gaya.
Gaya.
According to your sentence, if I'll write the exact thing, Ramesh, Amirpet. Even in Telugu, Ramesh Amirpet ki velladu.
Yeah.
Okay. So Ramesh will come first, then the Amirpet, and then
వెళ్ళాడు.
getting the point.
Yes, sir.
Even the other languages, like all the Indian languages, they follow the same trend, that is subject, object, and verb.
Verbs.
Whereas English, it follows subject, verb, and object. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
The moment you translate, you'll get the exact thing what I have written. Ramesh Amirpet went. Is it right?
Yes.
No.
Ramesh Amirpet to went.
No,
No, sir.
Wrong,
No.
sir.
And if you go with the translation, you'll get the same thing. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
So initially, like for the easy things, you may translate, but once if you get into difficulty, you will find like, okay, this is gonna be the issue I did. Getting the point? Initially, it
Yes,
might
sir.
be a bit difficult, but in case if you can start following the rule, then you'll never face any difficulty. Okay. Got the point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
From today, try not to translate the things. If you translate, what are the things that you have to do? First of all, like even you have to learn Hindi, then again you have to learn English of that. And do you know what is the storage capacity of our brain?
So,
In
infinity.
the past, I hope At least from the past, like on an average, I hope from the 23 years you have been using something called brain.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
More memories.
More memory.
Unlimited.
What is that?
Yeah. More memories.
Unlimited.
Unlimited.
Unlimited data.
Anyone? Yeah, Deepak? Any idea?
No.
2.5
Those who are
petabytes.
working in IT sector or those who are like about to become the software engineers, please tell me the answer. Because you only deal in terabyte, petabytes.
Sir, 2.5 petabytes.
Yes, okay.
2.5 petabytes.
2.5 petabytes. And you know what does it mean? 2.5 into 10 raised to power 18 bytes. And in case if you try to calculate, that goes beyond billion. And in 1 terabyte, you can store at least 200 movies, I guess.
Yes.
Oh,
So in the same way, like if it goes petabytes, so you can imagine. Okay. And at the same time, like we never try to utilize our brain. So like you have the wonderful thing, even there is a book called Ready Steady Go, written by two IITians from Bombay. Ready Steady Go.
Ready, steady, go. Okay.
So as like they have elaborated about your functioning of your brain, even about your eyes, like all the like supercalifragilistic body, I mean the wonderful body, like what are the things that we have. Okay, so in case in future if you get time you can read that book.
Okay, sir.
So I hope from now try not to translate the things because we have n number of things to store in our memory. Is it? So we have to like by the way, like even you are aware of the right and the left. Okay, 2300 TB. No, that is beyond that, Rajendra. Okay. So see, like even you don't have to attach any external memory as well.
Yes.
Is it?
External hard disks.
Mike sir, voice is not coming. Is it? Voice is not clear.
Clear,
Yes,
sir.
Clear,
yes,
sir.
clear, sir. Voice.
Samir, like if I'll use the mic, it will get echo, like as yesterday I did. In case, just check it out the network. To others, it's clear.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear,
sir.
sir.
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So from now, like what you have to do, you should not translate the things.
Okay, sir.
Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
In case, like even you can do the experiment with the other sentences as well. Let's go with this. For example, I am going to school. Okay. So, may school.
Jara.
Chara.
Okay. So, నేను స్కూల్ కి
వెళ్తాను.
No.
వెళ్తున్నాను. So, I do school. This is what you'll get.
I am going.
The wrong sentence.
Okay.
Wrong, sir.
So, if you'll follow something called translation, then you'll got the point.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So try not to translate the things, and there might be one more thing that okay, if we don't have to translate, then what we have to do? So obviously you have to follow only one rule, that is subject plus verb plus object, and subject is nothing but, let me write here, this is I, we,
You,
he,
they,
she,
who, they, his name.
okay.
Name.
Except this, you don't have to use anything, and name it can be anything. Then in case of verb, just any verb it can be, and I'll just I hope you got the access to the Google Classroom. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Created.
Okay, so it's created. Like those who did not receive, you can receive the link from the admin.
Yes.
Okay, not clear. Okay, let me tell you. In case of subject, see, subject, I mean the first position here. So here you either have to use I, or even you can use we. I mean you can start the sentences only. Yeah, this one. I, we, you, he, she, they, and it. I mean, whenever you want to speak, almost 70% of the time you have to start your sentences by using this. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Monica?
sir, got it.
Okay. And the second thing is that the work, so almost like 100 work. And I'll upload all those things in your Google Classroom.
Okay,
And
sir.
then in case of object, it's up to you. For example, here I have. Let's say if I write I buy. So whatever you buy, even I buy milk packet.
Milk.
Okay. Or even you can say I buy chocolates.
Chocolates.
Or I buy like vegetables. Whatever you do, according to verb. And in the upcoming classes, I'll let you know like when to use V1, when to use. It also we can use, but I would recommend not to use it. Can anyone tell me why? Like throughout the course, we'll not use. Only in rainy season we use it.
It will represent things.
So it represents non-living things, and most of the time we start only with the like names. Even if you want to talk about the table or chair or car, anything, so table or chair or even name of a person, it represents the name. And later on, you proceed with the it. For example, even if you go to your relative's home, so what do you ask in the first time? Like, how are you? What do you ask about? How is your car? Or how is your fridge or cooler? And then they won't say that it is fine or something. Even it comes under the pronoun. I mean, it comes under the subject, but I would recommend you not to use. Only like hardly we use. Like it is raining, or it is a good day, or it is bad day, whatever it might be. And hardly we talk about the days directly. So first, always we prefer like these 7 verbs. Sorry, these 7 subjects. Okay. And moreover, like we need to concentrate only on the useful things. Okay. Because even though we have like 2.5 into 10 raised power 18 bytes, but even in that we even have to store the memory. Even the movies as well, even the story script. What are the reels which are going on, and many more discussions we have to store. Is it?
Yes, sir.
So even so along with that, even I thought that okay, I need to provide you the exact thing what you require. If I keep on providing each and everything, then even you will get fed up. Yeah? So we are going to learn the exact thing what we require for our speaking, and in order to improve ourselves. So I hope now you got this point. In order to proceed with the sentence, you just have to have the subject first, then followed by verb, then followed by object. But in case of questioning thing, I mean interrogative sentences, it differs, and those things we'll discuss in our tenses. So just make a note of this thing. Just note it down this part as a definition. Everyone is clear with the definition?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the same, what we have discussed.
What is mean by sentence?
Yes. So what is the definition of sentence? So it is a collection of words. It should convey some meaning, and it must follow certain rules. And what is that rule? Subject plus verb plus object.
Object.
Even if you say that I'll place subject, object, and verb, again the meaning gonna change. So at your home, even you can do the experiment with the sentences. For example, what do we have the first sentence? I go to spoken English. So instead of go, instead of verb here, if you keep the verb here, again the sentence will be wrong. I to spoken English class go.
One sentence.
So always like subject, verb, and object. And verb is nothing but action. Now everyone is clear with this rule?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Noted as well.
Yeah, subject verb.
That's it. And try to have the separate notebook for English. I hope like even you may have the separate notes for your programming languages.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because anyhow, like I'll upload the things, but in case during the class, if you may, it का use कब करते हैं? It का use like whenever we use non-living. So most of the time, like हम it का use नहीं करते. For example, table के बारे में बताना है. In order to tell about the table, you have to use it.
Okay, sir.
So hardly we proceed with it. Okay. And in today's culture, like moreover, you know, no one bothers about the non-living things. Moreover, we bother about the others. For example, let's say if you got the job, so your neighbors will bother about you. But in case if you have purchased fridge or cooler, so they'll never bother about the fridge, but they'll bother about you that how come you purchased the fridge or car or bus or whatever. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Even
Yes,
if you
sir.
get 10 lakhs package, so they will bother about you. They'll not bother about the package. That how come he got the 10 lakhs package? Is it?
Yes, sir.
It like hardly like non-living things, hardly people they bother about. So moreover, they bother about the people. Yeah, is it done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So shall we proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Even you can make a note of this, and just below to this, writes as subject. Just below to this.
Amit sir, I'm taking screenshots. So is
You
that
can.
fine?
Yeah, you can. Or else like anyhow, I'll upload the things. But in case of screenshot, what it happens, you know, even sometimes I used to teach biology as well. Let me tell you, because even the scientific reason I need to tell you. The moment you write, anyone from bio here? So the moment you write, immediately like the neurons, I mean the signal gonna be sent to your hypothalamus. You're aware of this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, the chip of your brain. Okay.
Will be
And in case if you do any mistake, immediately it sends the signal to your hand, I mean to the fingers, that okay, you have done something mistake. Okay, so immediately you'll correct yourself. Whereas if you take the screenshot and out of like 100%, like almost 80%, I'm sure that you'll not go through the screenshot. Okay, and you'll not sit and write as well. Okay. So don't worry, like at least like spend 2 to 3 minutes. And if you can write, so you'll get at least 10 or 20% now, and rest of the other percentage that you'll get later, like when you'll practice. Yeah, whose gender is not recognizable? Is it true? Obviously. So during the stories, I will tell you this. See, what we are doing, we are going in like level 1, level 2, in that way. So don't worry, in case if we have missed something, slow and steadily we are going to proceed one by one. So the moment you write, you'll come to know that what I'm writing. Yeah, at the same time, like you can do one more thing. Just try few sentences on your own and tell me what is subject, verb, and object. Any sentence. Yeah. So anyone who has written?
I am taking breakfast. I is I subject, taking is verb, and breakfast is object.
1 second, Pooja. Let me write the things here. So this is vegetables. For example, what you said, I am
taking breakfast.
taking breakfast. Okay. So what is subject?
Subject I.
Subject is
Now.
I. Okay. And what is verb in this?
Taking.
There is one mistake. It's am taking. Even though you may consider am as a helping verb, but even the helping verbs comes under verb. Okay. So whenever you use ing form, by default, if it is present, then you have to use am. If it's past, then you have to use was. And if it is future, then you have to use will.
I will be.
Okay.
Okay.
Then like this thing will change. I mean this one. So even in future, whenever you proceed, I am, then after taking, or I was, then taking. So these two things gonna be your verbs. Clear, everyone?
Sir, I'm every time confused in past tense, present tense, and future tense.
So this time, like as I'll teach you, then you'll never forget as well, and you'll never confuse as well. Okay, I'll teach in such a with the help of making the vlogs, even by going through the movies. And I hope you never confuse about the movie.
No.
No, sir.
No.
So I'll take the help of movie and then I'll explain.
Very clear.
Yeah. So yeah, any other sentence?
Sir,
She was by a fruits.
Someone has written Amit sir is teaching spoken English course every day.
She was by a fruits.
Come again, Divya.
She was by a fruits.
No, she was buying.
Buying. Okay. Okay.
Let me write. She was. See, whenever you use was or were only for the inference, the moment you use, and then after, if you want to convey some action, then you have to use ing form. He was buying a book. Yeah. So what is subject in this?
Subject she.
She. Okay. And what is verb?
Verb is by was buying.
Okay. Was buying gonna be a verb.
Yes.
And then what is object?
Book.
A book. Like after verb. After verb, whatever the things that you get, all those things will come under object.
In form.
Yes. After verb. See, whatever the things. So don't consider as article, preposition, because see, you don't have to waste your time. In case like by learning this is adjective, this is verb, like what is your main purpose is that you have to learn what is required. And as I told you, like mainly those who are from IIT, like what they do, they just learn the things, what is required, what is useful. Because see, we have like very short span of time, and in this short span of time, we have to learn a lot and we have to progress a lot. But if we keep on doing the PhD in English, then obviously we may not get the job to that extent. Yes. So as of now, like just take it as a black box, and in this, like the first thing gonna be your subject, then followed by the action things will come under the verb, and then after whatever the things that we are left with will come under object.
Okay.
So how we'll proceed with our grammar is, as today we are learning about syntax, I mean subject, verb, object, and then we'll slowly emphasize on this subject, and then followed by verb, I mean the tenses, and then followed by article and preposition as well. So one by one we are going to learn the things. Yeah,
Sir, was buying means past tense, no, sir?
Yes, kontu nanu.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sir,
any other sentence?
Sir, I want to tell sentence.
Tell me.
Arjun is doing homework.
Come again.
Arjun is doing homework.
Arjun is doing homework. His homework or somebody else homework?
His homework only.
His homework. Because you know nowadays, not only Arjun, even Arjun's mother or father might be doing this work. Is doing. It's
I
like
have one more, sir. Shruti is,
come again.
sir, one more sentence is there, sir. Shruti is playing in the ground.
Shruti is playing. Shruti is playing. Yeah. So actually, in South India, like we follow TH, and in case like from north, then you may have to proceed with T. Okay.
SHRUTI.
Shruti. So here, like people they follow TH in South, so those are
Yes.
we might be aware of, and in North, like we omit that text. Any other sentence? See, let me write one sentence for you.
I had eaten food.
Yes, I have eaten or I have taken. Okay, there is a question for all. Tomorrow I'll ask. Let's see. I have.
Sir, Vijay was playing shuttle daily.
No, that's wrong.
That's
Vijay
not.
plays.
Okay.
Miss sir, I written one sentence. I'm planning to go office every day.
I'm planning to go. No, I go to office. Okay, I'll tell all these things like when to use in the tenses. Okay, so don't worry in case even if you do the mistakes, because today we are at the basic building block of a sentence. Okay, so I'll let you know when to use. I mean the situation based. We'll learn the tenses in the form of situation based. Yeah. Any other sentence?
Sir, we are playing cricket.
Okay, they are playing.
So then I cook food every day.
Very good. Actually, like as I was waiting for this film, everyone is talking about playing. So no one is talking about cooking. Who is making food? Please let me know so that we can have party over there.
Sir, I.
I cook food every day, sir.
Okay. So what you are preparing? Any special? By the way, like, let me tell you, I had eaten food. The why it is used, I'll tell you in the article. Okay. So each and everything, like slow and slow. Okay, Hitesh. Each and every reason I'll let you. Okay, Maggie. Okay, very good. So let's try to find out. Arjun is doing his homework. What is subject in this?
Arjun.
Arjun
Okay, and then
is doing his work.
he is doing. Even though if you feel that how can I find, then try to remove this. Arjun doing his homework. Is it right?
Right, sir.
Right, sir.
Not
Arjun doing or Arjun is doing. If I say Arjun doing, so whether he is there or not, I don't know. Getting the point? If I write here is, then I may feel that okay, Arjun he exists.
It is compulsory work.
If I write was, then he was doing in the past.
Yes, past.
If I write will be, so without the helping
He
verb,
will be do. He will complete.
It will become future.
when you use I form, you have to use is or was or will be accordingly. Getting the point? Even just try to remove this. Arjun is his homework. Is it right?
No, not right.
No.
Ram is travel by train. No. Ram is traveling, Sriram. Ram is traveling. So now I hope we are getting the point. So whenever you feel that English is boring, try to do the experiment.
Okay.
And by doing the experiment, you'll learn. So is doing is the verb, and his homework gonna be the object. Yeah. The same way, Shruti is playing in the ground. So even if you don't write ground and why you have to use the, I'll let you know in the article topic. Okay, so one by one. So Shruti is subject here. Playing gonna be the verb,
Verb.
and in the ground gonna be
In the ground.
Object.
object. Then I gonna be subject.
Subject.
Have taken.
I've taken that.
Already completed.
I've taken my breakfast.
So if I remove have, is it right? I taken my breakfast.
No.
Yes.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, sir. Right.
No.
Right, sir.
So I taken my breakfast is the translated English.
Yeah, translated.
So I hope you are getting it.
But it is good, na, sir. Translated word, but it is a sentence.
But
Yeah,
it's
that
not
is
right.
no, sir.
Have is
मैं
must.
खाना खा लिया. So like खा लिया था, खा लिया हूँ, खाऊंगा when.
Connect. Khaliya.
Existence. Have is mandatory.
Have is must. Sir.
So have taken. Then followed by whose breakfast? My breakfast or someone else?
Breakfast.
My breakfast.
My breakfast.
My breakfast.
Then they. They're gonna be subject. Then followed by
Subject.
are playing.
Are playing is a verb.
Yes. And then this is gonna be
Object.
Object.
the same way I am cooking food. So our else
I'm is the
I gonna be subject.
subject. I'm cooking is the verb and
Verb.
food is the object.
Object.
Okay. So Nikhil, like as you should not write about Chat GPT now, but there are many more software engineers about it. Where is Nikhil? डराना नहीं है निखिल सबको. Because what about the future? Like we'll think. Okay. Whereas like even if you might be quite good at English, then even you don't have to worry about the recession because we have a number of jobs. So now you are clear about this subject verb object.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
let me assign you one task for tomorrow. How many of you like reading stories?
I like.
I am.
I like sir.
I also.
Even though if you don't like, but you have to read.
Okay, sir.
So casually, I just asked you. You know, like whenever the guests they come to our home, even though if we don't like to offer them tea or coffee, but usually we ask.
Yes.
And we always expect that they have to say no. In case if they say yes, then we gonna be in trouble.
Right.
So, story. Yeah. In the screen. Yeah. The screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Visible.
So see, as I have taken the small story, The Lion and the Mouse.
Still I am the most.
Yes, sir.
So even not only this story, you can take any story. So what you need to do, just you have to read the story at least 5 to 6 times. So let's check it out. One day a lion was asleep in the wood. So what is subject in this?
Lion.
Lion, sir. Lion.
So one day.
A lion.
One day a lion.
One day.
Okay.
Lion.
And after, what is verb?
Sleep.
Was asleep.
Sleep.
Was sleep.
Was asleep.
What is object?
Wood.
In the wood.
How
What is wood, you know?
One day.
In the wood means? Meaning of in the wood. I mean, wood.
Jungle.
It's like a cave.
Like a cave.
Like a forest.
But whereas if you search the meaning of wood, so
Sir, like
Like a
a
forest.
maze, wood, maze,
no,
table.
no.
Wood is a material, sir. It is
Wood is a
not
material which we use for the
which we
sticks,
use
I
for
mean the
the
log. But in English, but in
Forest.
English, the word it changes according to situation. Here, the meaning of wood is forest.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that's the reason I always used to tell you, don't try to follow the translation. In the point, see, even if I say the meaning of May, like it may rain today. So you'll just understand that, okay, May means 50-50. May or may not.
Yes.
But if I say, may God bless you, what does it mean? It doesn't mean that I am wishing only 50-50. Okay. So the meaning it changes according to situation. Got the point? So try not to translate the things and read as much as possible. So what you have to do today, even if you see the second sentence, a mouse came along. So a mouse gonna be your subject. And what is verb?
Came.
And what is
Came,
object?
along.
So in the same way, not only this story, whatever the story that you like, any kid story, and try to start from the scratch. Because if you'll start from the scratch, then you'll get more and more things. Got the point? Don't read the newspaper all of a sudden. Because if you'll read the newspaper, by tomorrow you'll get demotivated. So do this thing like go to the short stories. In case if you have the kids like first or second standard stories, then even you can take that, or else even as you have the Google to search. So take one story, read 5 to 6 times, then try to underline what is subject, what is verb, and what is object in that. Everyone?
Sir, can you share this link into chat box?
This link, okay, let me. So don't follow only this story, like as an example I have taken.
Sir, here one day will be the subject or a lion?
One day will be the subject. So before verb, whatever the things that you get, gonna be your subject.
Okay, one day a lion will be the subject.
One day a lion is subject. Okay. So see, before verb, if I say there was or there lived a king, or once upon a time there lived. So once upon a time till there, it's gonna be your subject. And then after the verb, and then after the object. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So as I have shared the link, you can go through, and not only this story, even the thirsty crow, the rabbit and tortoise. So it depends on your patience and the time you spend.
Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir. Subject can be anything, right, sir? It can be a name of person or place, or it can be.
It can be, see, name of any person, place, like it can be